Hello and welcome to UPVC Spares for Repairs. Today we're going to talk about the latch plates that are used on common doors, both opening in and opening out. The latch plate is handed left and right, and as you can see from the pair that are here, the latch comes into there and there. Now, in order to identify which is required, usually we will view all doors from outside. So we will assume that the door would normally open inwards. So the latch can either latch behind here on a door with the handle on the right hand side, or alternatively it will latch to the other side if it's handed on the left hand side. On instances where the door is reversed and opens outwards, then of course the latch that closes against this plate will also be reversed, because now we're expecting the door to close from outside and be held and retained in place at that point. So therefore the latch plate would also be the opposite way round. So on all outward opening doors, where one would order a left hand for an inward opening door, one orders a right hand for outward opening. Thank you.